In today's video, I'll show you how to use goals in ActiveCampaign to create milestones inside your automations and automatically move contacts forward when they complete a specific action. Goals are useful when you don't want contacts to continue receiving unnecessary messages after they've completed an important step, such as making a purchase, registering for an event, or completing another conversion action. First, sign in to your ActiveCampaign account and open the Automation section. Select the automation where you want to add a goal, then open it in the Automation Editor. Now find the point in the automation where you want the goal to be placed and click the plus icon to add a new action. From the available options, open Conditions and Workflow and select Goal. Give your goal a clear name that describes the milestone you're tracking. For example, you could call it Purchased Product or Completed Registration. Next, configure the goal conditions. These conditions determine when a contact has successfully reached the milestone. For example, you could use a tag, custom field, purchase-related condition, or another available condition to identify contacts who have completed the desired action. Now configure what should happen to contacts who haven't reached the goal yet. Depending on your automation design, contacts can continue through the workflow, wait until they meet the goal conditions, or follow another configured path. Once everything is configured, click Save. When a contact eventually meets the goal conditions, ActiveCampaign can recognize that milestone and move the contact forward to the appropriate point in the automation. Goals are especially useful for preventing duplicate promotional messages. For example, if someone purchases your product while they're still receiving a sales sequence, the goal can allow them to move past the promotional steps and continue into an onboarding sequence. You can also use goals to measure important milestones in your customer journey and understand how many contacts reach specific conversion points. Before activating your automation, test the goal conditions with a sample contact to make sure contacts are being moved forward exactly as intended. And that's how you use ActiveCampaign Goals. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.